Understanding, you said it, unpacking the phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today's topic is a common English phrase, you said it. This phrase may seem simple, but it's packed with meaning and is widely used in everyday conversation. Let's dive into its usage and nuances to help you sound like a native speaker. When someone exclaims, "You said it," they are agreeing with something that has just been said. It's a way of acknowledging that the speaker has expressed a thought or sentiment that the listener strongly agrees with. This phrase often carries a tone of strong endorsement or confirmation. You said it can be used in various contexts. Whether in casual conversation or during a more intense discussion, when you find someone has just voiced your thoughts or opinions, you can respond with, "You said it," to show your agreement. It's informal and best used in relaxed, conversational settings. Let's look at some examples. After a tough work week, one might say, "I can't wait for the weekend." A colleague could reply, "You said it. I'm exhausted." In a discussion about a movie, if one person says, "That was the best film of the year," and you agree, you can respond with, "You said it. It was fantastic." These examples show how "you said it" can be a versatile tool in your conversational arsenal. Other phrases convey a similar sense of agreement. For instance, "I couldn't agree more," "exactly," or "that's for sure," are alternatives that can be used depending on the context and the level of formality. And that's a wrap on the phrase, "You said it." It's a simple yet powerful way to express agreement and solidarity with someone else's statement. Try using it in your next English conversation. We hope this video has been enlightening, and we look forward to bringing you more language learning tips. Happy speaking!